Tell your bitch get off my phone, that hoe steady tryna pipe. Yeah, she hit me up like 1-800, Audi get me right. And she wearing baggy jeans, she said she don't fuck with tights.
Honk, honk. Post it up. Jack in the crack. Yo. GTA IRL, bro. Yo. Bro is whipping it. Hey. These rich people, bro.
Oh god, it's just boring. I wanna be like that.
I'll change about it. Yeah. Man, I swear, what is bro doing?
Trying to escape.
Real ones know.
I'm a fat ass fool right now. I've been doing nothing but work and just shove my face with food and sleep.
He's a virgin. I used to be posted up right here all the time, bro. Hopefully we can find an Addy for the spot, bro, because they low-key lagging it. You getting in the middle?
Let's go.
Nah, bro, I gotta be right here just in case hurt.
Tell your bitch get off my phone, that hoe steady tryna pipe. Yeah, she hit me up like 1-800, Audi get me right. And she wearing baggy jeans, she said she don't fuck with tights. Said I like the way you think, shawty, you look like my type. Hey, yeah, cash Come here, shawty, let me see you work that body up. Catch me in the lobby, shout out to my nigga Marty up. Pull up phone, she said I need to stop, it hurt my body up. Still I'm feeling dizzy, man, I feel like Ricky Bobby up. Tell your bitch get off my phone, that hoe steady tryna pipe. Yeah, she hit me up like 1-800, Audi get me right. And she wearing baggy jeans, she said she don't fuck with tights. Said I like the way you think, shawty, you look like my type. Yeah, get me right.
We still spinning. Hey, bro,
Get me right. Tell your bitch get on my phone, that hoe steady tryna pipe. Yeah, she hit me up like 1-800, Audi get me right. Yeah, Audi get me right. Yeah, 1-800, Audi get me right. Yeah, 1-800, Audi get me right. Yeah, Audi get me right. Tell your bitch get off my phone, that hoe steady tryna pipe. Yeah, she hit me up like 1-800, Audi get me right. Yeah, Audi get me right, yeah, 1-800, Audi get me right, yeah, Audi get me right, yeah, 1-800, Audi get me right, yeah, Audi get me right, yeah, 1-800, Audi get me right.
That's not safe out here.
Bro, that's almost like me, bro.
Nigga, get it out for the water, bro.
What the fuck?
Oh shit! We're still outside!
What the fuck?
Second. There's a hydrant in the middle.
Oh, you can do it.
Take it home with me.
I'm not trying to get wet. I'm gonna go over there.
Oh, that shit's sparking.
Nah, chill.
Oh, that shit's been sparking.
That shit gonna cause a fire, bro. Hey, we gotta watch out, bro.
Hey, bring the Prius.
Nah.
What the fuck? Where's Sarah?
Alright, we bringing the Prius?
Yes. Bro, they're bringing a scooter.
Yeah. Get outside, get outside. Hell no, bro. Hey, go to the middle. Hey, swing it, swing it. People do not know how to give directions, bro. What y'all doing, bro? Alright, guys. I have an interruption. No, the rest of these clips is just me looking at my car because I'm sadly never gonna get it back. Yeah. No, I'm not getting it back. This is it. The last of my car, man. Got the final stuff. I just had to put the exhaust. I was just recently sanding it down. Takekado on top. There you go, man. Well, another day, another L. We dug it out, though. Dug it out. We're gonna be kicking it with the homies. I just left school. But yeah, let's see what happens, man. Alright, guys. I'm in downtown. I'm currently stranded. Y'all know downtown. There's like hella taggings up there. I'm just doing my own thing. I'm literally just doing my own thing. I gotta find out what's plus today. There's that couple right there. Looking up. Yeah. That boy getting it. For now, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just gonna post up, see what happens. Gonna hit some licks later for sure. Please like, comment, subscribe, bro. I'm really trying to get up, bro. I'm really trying to be on my grind. I am on my grind. Y'all just not supporting me the way I want y'all to. But it's cool though. It's cool. Look at that. We got tourists out here taking pictures with pigs. Watch this though. I don't know what that was, but oh shit. Alright, so I just twisted my ankle and opened up my scab. So I started bleeding. And in that scab, I low-key 100% sure I need stitches. Fuck. We gonna thug it out, bro. I'm pushing all limpy and shit. Shout out to that news guy for not giving him a fuck. Up the mountain though. Right here and then. Alright. My injury has not gotten better, bro. And now we're going on a fucking mountain.
Oh, this is the picnic area, dumbass.
What do you mean?
There's no water.
Oh, there's a hole? Probably a shortcut. How weird is that water? Caked up. I dare you to go back there. Huh?
Nigga right there.
Where?
He was saying he was walking over.
Pull up, do a pull up. That's some.
This better be sturdy.
That's stable as fuck. Yeah. Come on, bro. Come on. Damn, come on, play. Put your feet down like me. Damn. You got that? Something like peak content, peak content. Who's already tired?
Hell yeah.
I'm the one with the broken ass foot. We out here.
You hear that?
Go. Fuck. I literally almost fell earlier because my leg was so weak. Oh shit. A little boost. Come on, bro. We're almost at the top. Chill. I'm slipping. My glasses got put on. Go, go, go. Grab me. Shortcut. Left or right? Fuck, bro. There's water flowing, but I have no idea if we're going the right direction. Whoa, should we go that way? Where are you from?
Oh shit. Shall we?
Yeah, just get to the tree. A little shortcut.
Go, 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 go.
Shortcut a little risky, but we gonna take it. LA's best. Oh shit. That's probably LA's best waterfall.
Oh god.
Wait, is there a rock on top of it?
Yeah.
Looks majestical, looks. Hi.
Hey.
Alright, look at the hummingbird. Water lock in. Look, marijuana. Marijuana. Hi. Life shortcut. Gotta take a shortcut in life.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Even if it don't mean anything, the adventure could be fun.
Yeah.
This man keep trying to touch my titties. This is the titty grabbler. We low-key hope we're going the right way, cause fucking who knows. Bro, we're fucking lost, but we outside. Look, life, regular life, when everything is okay. Just look. Oh my god. Everything looks like it's gonna be okay with this. Officially lost. We don't know if we need to take that shortcut. We don't know which way is up or down. Shortcut, right? Fuck it. How's it going, sir? People are too Hollywood nowadays. We found the fucking shortcut we originally took.
That shit took so long.
My ass is probably so dirty, huh?
Oh shit.
Let
Let me see. Stand up. Look like you shit yourself.
I got the worst fit.
Alright.
We were gonna get crunk before this. Look, bro, look. Oh my god. Hurry up, log in. Oh. Yeah, I just came onto the grass. This is what we need to do. Go through the side right here. Lock in.
Nigga.
Come on, lock in. Bro, come on.
Bro, I'm just sliding down, bitch.
Put a fool in some nature and you don't know what to do. The cuz do not be going rock climbing.
Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Chill, alright.
Hey, watch out.
Chill.
I'm never doing this shit again.
You're the one who wanted to come. You wanted to come here. Like,
You just got lucky.
I literally slid down this whole thing, bro. Slide in the middle. Slide in the middle. Just slide. Just slide. Nature slide. Run down. I'm blacker than usual. Do not go to the abandoned zoo. How we feeling after today, bro? Bay chilling?
I'm bay chilling, cut.
About you?
I'm chilling.
Mimi's time. Where we at? Where we at?
Little Caesars?
Little Caesars with the injury. Dirty ass fit. Little Caesars.
Fuck it, everybody get naked. Let's see who pussy the best.